What's up, everybody? Here we're going to talk about the VEO3 model that has been recently launched by the Gemini itself, and now we can have a hands-on review about it, and let's discuss how we can generate a video that is completely based on the directions. And what we actually have to do, what I have learned so far using the VEO3 model, is that we have to act as a director. So once we are acting as a director, we can actually give as much depth to the scene as possible, and hence we can generate as much depth as possible in the video itself. So how you guys can access the VEO3 is pretty simple. You must have a pro account on Google. Just access the Gemini. Once in the Gemini, click on the video section that says generate with VEO3. Now I've already wrote in detail VEO3 the prompt for the VEO3 video, and it's completely based on the director vision, project title, video platform, overall tone, everything, each and everything in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and give this prompt to the Gemini. Let's see what sort of video does it create using that prompt. So here it is generating the video right now, and let's see what sort of outcome we will get from this video. So here we have the video right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what sort of video does VEO3 has generated so far. So guys, you might be amazed by the quality right over here. So this is AI generated itself. You might not have, this looks unreal to me exactly that AI has developed so far that it can create this much in-depth videos just by a single prompt. So here the scene covers a library where, the sort of breeze coming out of the books over here on the top shelves, maybe some sort of a cooling down system, the grass over here, the overall, the texture of the video is very warm over here, and the girl approached the book. She has the right number of fingers. Her hair looks amazing, and she picks a book. Book has a name on it, and there's proper sound as everything goes ahead. The thing is, the overall thing is everything is in flow. Here you guys can see that the girl is smiling now after getting the book. So you guys can generate videos like this by giving in-depth prompt. For example, the prompt that I have generated with a proper vision, proper directions, and after that there will be a very depth knowledge in the video. So I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.